Now, it has been 3 years since the rate cap was introduced, but the effects of the rate cap are now being felt by Kenyans, who most of them are saying banks are no longer willing to lend to them. Data from the Kenya Bankers Association shows that year-on-year, loan-to-deposit ratio has significantly changed since 2015, where loans advanced to customers were higher than deposits before taking a turn for the worst beginning 2016. As a percentage of growth rate, deposits rose from 6% in 2016 to 11% in 2018, take an opposite trend compared to the loans-to-deposit ratio, which declined from 84% in 2016 to 74% in 2018, which goes to show a significant reduction in the amount of loans issued to customers. In our quest to understand just how dire the credit squeeze is, we decided to go to where the rubber meets the road, literally speaking, to those deprived of credit. Here in Nairobi's downtown area of Nyamakema is where we meet Jacinta Wangari. Jacinta operates a small hotel, which she tells us at one point she was forced to shut down due to lack of funds. And when she tried to get loan from her bank to help her remain afloat, the Kenyan local lender denied her the loan facility.
Last time nilitaka kuchukua loan kwa bank fulani, sikuweza kupewa sababu ya shida fulani, wanaitisha so many documents na interest yao iko juu. Sasa sikuweza kuchukua, nilichukua loan ya simu. A
case that forced her, like many other Kenyans, to turn to the readily available mobile lending applications, which she now says is becoming unbearable to deal with, owing to the short repayment period of loans and the exorbitant interest rates.
Loan za bank ndio mzuri zaidi sababu ziko na term kubwa ya kulipa. Hati ya simu hiyo ni very short time. Sasa unalipa pesa mingi, sasa hizo pesa huwezi pata, at least kama business kama hii ni mpya huwezi pata hizo pesa.
Jacinta, like many other Kenyans, has been forced by circumstances to have to deal with the punitive rates being charged by mobile lenders who have even been equated to Shylocks by the central bank governor.
There are those sort of lending platforms, which is what you're talking about, which are just lending credit-only platforms, right? That's what you're asking. And they may use an app, but they are not different from the Shylock at the corner.
To paint a true picture of how dire the access to credit situation has become, one of the latest mobile loans application platform, Fuliza by Safaricom, which offers overdrafts, issued credit worth over 81 billion shillings in its first 6 months of operation alone. But Jacinta, like many others, would rather have the interest charged by banks capped at a ceiling to ensure banks do not exploit their need for credit.
Mimi ningesema tu hiyo rate ibakie hivyo. Ibakie hiyo 13 to 14% hapo hivyo.
The Kenya Bankers Association is now pushing for the repeal of the interest rate capping law, but many are asking what is the alternative. Now, coincidentally, albeit ironically, just a few meters from Jacinta's hotel sits yet another bank, which she tells us she's yet to qualify for a loan with. Jimmy Mbogo, K24 Business.